It was a message to lawmakers to keep the Affordable Care Act. More than 100 people gathered in Calder Plaza this afternoon protesting the GOP agenda to repeal it. Sarah Hurwitz looked at this and has a breakdown of the protest across our state today.
To me, the most shameful part of what the Republicans are trying to do is they want to repeal ACA without an alternative in place.
Straight from a man who sees the realities of the healthcare system, emergency room doctor Robert Davidson spoke to the crowd in Calder Plaza.
I think that the discussion has shifted because they are actually now admitting that a national healthcare plan is a necessity.
We need to put the people first.
That responsibility rests with the people.
Obamacare has helped over 20 million people, and for the Republicans to repeal it is just a total shame.
To march in protest, and as many urged,
repair, not repeal.
Talk to your lawmaker.
It is very important that here in Michigan, we stand united.
Some of whom were in attendance today.
1 out of 10 people in Michigan now has health coverage because of the Affordable Care Act. If we're talking about that many people going without, it's going to have devastating consequences to every one of us.
There are a couple of things that I think you're going to see what I hope would be some bipartisan support. More incentives for employers to provide health insurance, health savings accounts.
U.S. Congressman Fred Upton, who we caught up with on the phone, said he anticipates repeal of the ACA, giving people more choices and a replacement of the system.
Medicare works! Medicare works!
Some are saying that there's going to be massive changes in Medicare. No, that's not true at all.
It is. Think for a moment. You take away health insurance from 30 million people. How many of them will die? And the answer is many thousands.
Across the state in Metro Detroit at Macomb Community College, about 10,000 people joined the man behind the cause, Senator Bernie Sanders.
So our job today is to defend the Affordable Care Act.